Why you see what's gonna happen on Nasdaq, ne?
Yeah.
Until like those moving average, you got a worse.
Get into it.
Okay, well, I really go daily time frame. I'm really sharp lately that time frame. We can continue with that time frame. Okay, I'll check the thing that happened there. What made Nasdaq really move? It's we had a what? We had a double bottom on Nasdaq. If you can like see it, you can put a horizontal line on that double bottom. On that double bottom. So okay, fine. After that double bottom, you can check on the nearest level. We had a push. On that nearest level, you can like put a horizontal on the nearest level. Mola peak, the second peak after that one. Yeah, that one. Okay, so when we have a peak again after that one, more top, it was sort of like break and retest. You can like put another horizontal line.
More.
Yeah. Okay, again after the end of the candy stick, that full candy stick, when it gave us the second candy stick for a buy, you can like put another horizontal line. Go the second candy stick straight. I don't the current market because I'm gonna push a market to the left. I think it's gonna be your right. Yeah, away. So on the neckline, you can put another what? Another horizontal ray.
Neckline ya we moga ya candlestick if.
Neckline called the W formation. Now upper on the upper level. That level. Okay, if you can check, now we have two different scenarios when it comes to Nasdaq. First scenario, Kohori, we can, if you can see, the same way it went up as the same way it's gonna come down. If you understand, because if you can check, the same thing that happened on the double bottom is the same thing that's gonna happen on the double what on the double top. Because for now, I think Nasdaq it's going to reach that level where you have your current horizontal line. What's that level?
Current level anything. 11150.
Like the current level on our neckline. The neckline. What's the current level on the neckline? That level. What is it? Yeah, that one.
11235.
Yeah, so Nasdaq, as it opens, okay, a lot of people are going to be trapped. When it opens, a lot of people will anticipate that Nasdaq is gonna sell. So what might happen? We're going to break that level, which is the neckline. So when we break that level, which is the neckline, it's testing what? As testing the sellers. So that's the first way the brokers can make money through people. Because if you can check, I've been saying this previously, Jorge, Nasdaq doesn't move in a form of a picture perfect stuff. You understand? Okay, what? Another horizontal line to the upper level. I want to show you a good scenario on the upper level, which is the M. Yeah, call that M. Yeah, that one you can like put a horizontal line. Okay, let's check that scenario. Ne? When we checking that scenario on Nasdaq, what happened? So that one, I don't wanna lie. Like if you could have had that M straight and you take your profit on the neckline, that's the best way. So let's check that part, which is the other part, not the current market. If you can like look at that part, yeah, from there, and look at the current part, the market keeps repeating itself. You understand?
Exactly.
So that part, if we had it, someone can say it was an M pattern. I can say it was a triple top. If you can check, we had 3 touches up there. 1, 2, 3 on the previous market. So when you have that 3 touch, most people are getting trapped. They're getting trapped on what? On the entry levels.
Exactly.
On Talo High. So when they're getting trapped on the entry level, they believe there's some sort of like miracle that's gonna happen on that level. The best way to like kill Nasdaq when we're in that level is to do what? Is to like respect those levels. Wait for a rejection. You shouldn't like. Sometimes if you can check, let's look at the double bottom, which we in like the double bottom. Look at that double bottom, with that double bottom. If you could have had that rejection straight with the double bottom with the 3,000 account, you could have made a lot with like normal positions. You understand? To those who are holding from that level to the current level, it's like 7K per trade. So now that I got the my psychology, the mindset says, you know what? Because if you can check out, like as you know, Nasdaq moves in break and retest most of the time. You understand? And when you're trading Nasdaq, it's so easy to trade Nasdaq on horizontal raise. I always use horizontal level because you can, like, if you understand the market structure, trendline strategy, you're gonna kill it. Okay, let's check something. The possible scenario. Well, from the that high level which we have our horizontal line, we can take a trend line. Our trend line needs to like connect 1, 2, 3, and if you can check, remember when we analyzing, we just come with different ways on how we can like kill the market. Oh, so let's go to the highest level. If you can check that highest level, yeah, you did put a horizontal line, a horizontal ray from that highest level. Take a trend line. We connect the 1, 2, yeah, from there. But then I connected that, then go down with it. Yeah, then it needs to connect. Let it connect that level, cause
This
it
one.
didn't connect the second level. Now, okay,
This
check out the one which we said it was on the M pattern, the M formation. It needs to connect that level.
this
Well,
level
yeah,
right
that
here.
level. Let it connect that level.
Okay,
And
wait.
remember, we're gonna
Okay.
use the trend line strategy rules. We don't really mind on what's gonna happen. Let's just connect that trend line. The rest is gonna be history. Because when you read the trend line strategy, it says it needs to connect perfectly 2 or 3 touches. So you can like connect. Yeah, you can go down with it after connecting. As long as we had that one. Okay, let's go down with it. Yeah, you can go to that lowest level there which you were in. You can like push the trend line down. Okay, it's fine. Let's check this setup. This setup, it was a go setup. I was going to enter that trade based on what? Based on the trend line. Remember, the trend line says when we have a break, there's gonna be a retest, which happened. Check on that level between the two horizontal lines. There was a break and a retest. First confirm, like there, if I was to enter that trade, I will enter that trade based on 3 things. First thing, get a double bottom for entry. Ne? Second thing,
Yeah.
as the break of the trend line. Sure, that's the second thing. Third thing, that was the retest.
Retest
If you
right
can
here.
check. Sure. So our levels, as Chad King says, Nasdaq and Abutim Z also say this. If you can check, Nasdaq moves in a form of 50 and hundreds, which
Exactly.
is really true when you look at the trend line strategy. So from the H4, we can go to the H1.
Let's hope it does load on H1.
Let's see the current market. Okay, Bon. You see that it looks so nice when we come to the 1 hour. Because so now we're going to elevate our skill. We're going to use what? We're going to use pattern separation. Okay, let's start from the lowest level where we had that double bottom. Okay, check. That level which you were in, the first one, that thing, it was a pattern. It connects 1, 2, 3. You can draw the trend line for the 1, 2, 3
From the
on
bottom
that
of
smallest. Now, like from that slowest pattern, okay, check out that pattern down there. Yeah, there. You can start it from 1, then the second touch, third touch, like through that thin thing. But then even up, it's correct. So when you take it up like that, let me explain on that one. Remember, when we are trading the market structure moves based on an impulse, correction, then an impulse.
impulse,
One of
yeah.
that trend line which you had there, that's correct. The market went up with a higher momentum, which it was an impulse move. After that impulse move, I was going to enter my one of that correction. That
Correction.
correction respected that trend line which you had there. So
Mm-hmm.
that trend line which you had, that was the most powerful one, because you could use it as a what? As an entry level.
Exactly.
But then it's fine. Let's go to that level more fast. Okay, check from where you started the trend line. That's the first touch. There, that's the first touch, second touch, third touch. Okay, if you can count those candlesticks, they're small, but they see the peak. You can like connect 1, 2, 3, and it's gonna be a perfect one. If I want, say from there, you can just
More.
move like 2, 2, 1, then have our second touch, then third touch. Starting
Second
from
and
there,
third
yeah,
touch.
Hodim. Okay, check out that thing. It's sort of like a pattern. It's a bullish pattern. On that bullish pattern, you can like reach Hodim with the trend line now. We're focusing on one of the current like market fast.
Yeah.
Go to the lowest market.
All right.
Molohoro, we started on the double bottom.
Right here.
Fasting, yeah, one of that level. Nah,
Yeah.
that other side on the right, yeah, on that part there. On that part, check the market there, ishile the peaks. If you can check, we had 1, 2, 3, three of what? Three of the candlesticks. So draw a trend line on three of starting from there we are holding. But on the left, it's gonna be opposite. My left one, you're not going that side. We're going. Oh, one. Archeke. Yeah, one from there as the first candlestick, ne? Yeah, then on the left. But then on your side, I think it's gonna be the right. Cause I agree.
Or from here.
Yeah, one. That's the first touch. Then we're going the other way. Molohoro. We need to have what? Yeah, sure. It's fine like that. It's fine like that. So when it's fine like that, the sky pusher hodium, it's fine. As long as it touches Rakano ya fast. Check when it touches that down. Ya fast Leon. On the end of that candlestick. So touch. We just need to check if we have three touches. We do have a perfect 1, 2, 3 touches. Okay, sure. My entry again, it will be on that what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, check. Based on that trend line. Okay, well, on the upper level, ne, put a horizontal ray. We're gonna push out that horizontal ray to Fasinya. You can put the horizontal ray on that break.
From here.
From the break, that trend line, eh? Yeah, you can just put another. Even you can use a big box there. Nah, we still focused on the current box, which you were drawing a trend line. Draw a big box there to show Hori. If you can check again, as we said, like Nasdaq, ne, it moves in a form of what? It moves in a form of break and retest. When we use on the neckline of that 1, 2, 3 touches, ne, you're gonna see with the big box. Yeah, from that level, you can use a big box just to highlight on what happened. Yeah, you can go to the other side. Okay, it's fine. Perfect like that, my nigga. You see, when we on that level, Nasdaq, the first entry that we were gonna have, it was the entry based on what? Based on the double bottom. That's the first entry. Second entry, as always, we know there was on that break and retest, there was a low key double bottom.
Exactly.
So when we have that low key double bottom, the market went up. So when it goes up, remember, Hori, on that top there, draw another yellow line just to highlight on what's gonna happen. You can just put another. Hori, our chart needs to be fine. Yeah, on that level, sure. Okay, so there's something interesting that we can learn from that level. What is it? The market won't always do what we think it will. Because if you can check, from the first one, we had a break and retest. On the second one, we didn't have a retest. We had a what? We had a full impulse move. It retraced on the smaller time frames, I guess. Because on that one, okay, check, we had how many candlesticks, strong ones there? 1, 2. Okay, so wait till he runs. After each and every close of a candlestick, put a horizontal line. Each and every close of the new candlestick. Yeah, it's a good one. It makes more sense. And I want us to check on the Oshota the close of that one. The close of that doji one. It had a close there, more fascinating, but then it's gonna be down, yeah.
Somewhere more.
Yeah, then you need to add. I think we need more 2 horizontal on the upper level. Okay, check. It had a close. I think it was almost a rejection. Yeah, those levels. So check. I see what's so interesting about that part. Ne? We reach that part. So when we reach that part, the market close, which means the market, it's still gonna push high. When it pushes high, you see that highest level that we have. Nasdaq is gonna open with a high momentum. The market is gonna reach that level. When we reach that level, we have what we have a double top formation, and it's going to be a picture perfect one, which the people needs to see. You understand? Okay, check from that level, which we have the highest top name on the highest top of the live, or that complete shoulder on the I think it's gonna be the left, because we need to go and do what we need to go and have a picture you know what, Nasdaq is gonna sell. Nasdaq is not gonna sell now, because when the market opens, it's going to open with a what? With a pusher to the higher level to complete that thing there. And Okacheka from that highest shoulder which we have there, if you take a trend line, withdrawer, air fast, or it had a break. So we need to reach that trend line there.
Exactly.
So go to the M15 and let's see something on the M15.
Okay.
Nasdaq is this speaker of a lie on Fana. Check on the M15. Each and
So,
everything that we did on the
Emma Pale, 1, 2. John, it's into Rivolai. And now I
one.
think it's very
So
good.
the first one. Second one, the one touching now, get the third touch. I always say, the third touch has the highest probability winning ratio in the market. If you're drawing or trading pattern, when you have 1, 2 touches, the third touch as it lies, understand? You know, we in and our current level and let me see where's the previous level, the height on the M15 of the other side. Check. Nasdaq, it's showing a sort of a rejection. But then when it rejects on that level, it's not gonna reject so much. You understand? It's gonna reject till that horizontal that we. But then if we push horizontal, that's when we're gonna spike up. Yeah, on Talohan. If it retraces, we can retrace to there, which we know it might happen and it might not. Because Nasdaq is Nasdaq. We're still gonna push higher till that level. After we reach that level, that's where we're gonna prepare for the A45 sales. We're gonna sell hard on that level up there. On Talohan, the Gold 7 levels. We're gonna sell hard when we reach that level.
Yeah.
Get the Gold 7 analysis, the A45 analysis. They should watch the space.
Yeah.
On Talohan. Go to the M30 when something.
Yeah.
This week you're on arrival. And
M30.
we can do a Zoom session. Go to the M30 one, which is gonna be half your hour. Get a pull back then up. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
We shoot high.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm sure. Are you good on this thing? Fibonacci levels. You can try Fibonacci levels because I am better Fibonacci level. But then let's see from that level we in to the lowest level we in. We'll try to read those levels and see what's gonna happen.
Okay, from the lowest level, it 61.80. Okay, sure, it retested already. More. It retested already more 61.80 more. I'm sure on a smaller time frame. Let me check.
It's going to retrace on that level, ne?
It retraces however.
Oh yeah, it made a retracement there.
Yeah,
What was that level?
It retested 61.80 Fibonacci. Yeah, all right. It's going to this. It's going to this high first. All right.
Or if it retraces there, then we're gonna spike up.
Yeah. So I'm thinking before it comes down, as you say,
Market. I'm saying this, ne? And the market opens. What time does Nasdaq open?
Around Yabula no.
I think okay, let's check. I believe when the Nasdaq market opens, we're gonna like spike up high nyan.
Yeah.
I just believe or we're going to spike high. If it opens on 12 o'clock, let's see what's gonna.
Yeah, okay. Well,
I think we could have like done the procedure of the day.
Yeah, all right.
So that the market can open, we'll be waiting for the opportunity.
I'll need to save this live, then it'll go happen.
Yeah, then like Kosani is a Zoom meeting, which is in like tomorrow, 1 minute left gore re tsene
Yeah.
ga osane. Abuti Mzi is gonna be there. Chad King. Let's do this. Nasdaq is so easy.
Yeah, let's kill it. We need to kill it.
Yeah, then we need like market will like 12 on Nasdaq, ne? Or it's around 5 past 12 or 10 past.
I'm sure
Cause I
now
feel it. If
it's going to open Marak. I got chuma data. That's why I get a save a life here. Then I get chuma data.
okay, save the life, then come back, then we gonna talk again.
Away.
Shesho Abuti.
Away.